In this video, I want to show you how to create principles of demand and supply flowchart using ChatGPT. So to do this exercise, we are going to use ChatGPT and overlay. I will show you everything from beginning to the end. To do that, open your browser and open a new tab. So log into chatgpt.com. So here we need to write a code. So we are using ChatGPT to write the code which we will use to produce the flowchart of the principles of demand and supply. So you can just write here, write me a latest code of flowchart to explain the principles of demand and supply. You can write a simple instruction like this for ChatGPT. Then click on send message. So ChatGPT will write the code for you. This code is what you will use to create the flowchart for the principle of demand and supply. The code has been written. Just click here to copy the code. Copy. Then open a new tab and search for overlay. Press enter. So come to this first link, which is overlay online latex editor. So the only thing you need here is to open a free account with them to be able to use the site. So it's a free account, you can just open it. So after you log in to overlay site, click on new project and click on blank project. So you can just give it a name, let's say flowchart, and click on create. So here it will bring default code. So what to do is to highlight all this default code and press spacebar or delete. Then the code we copied from ChatGPT, come back to this overlay, right click and paste the code. You can see the code has been pasted here. Then click on recompile. So it will create the flowchart for us for demand and supply. This is the principle of demand and supply. You can see it here. However, you can, the first thing to do, you can save this, then modify it. To save it, just download it as PDF. Click here and it will be downloaded. It's already downloaded, and you can even view it by clicking on the folder, and this is its flowchart. You can just open it to see what we have. So you can see it here. This is the flowchart for the principle of demand and supply. So you can use this in your class to explain the principle. However, if I go back to here, come back to this ChatGPT, tell the ChatGPT here and say make this code more complex. Make this code more complex. And click on send message. What it will do is that it will modify this code and make it more complex. So you can see it's adjusting the code. So what it does is to modify the code we already created. It has modified the code and make it more complex, so copied it. Then come back to this overlay page. Here, highlight this code and delete it. Then paste the new code. Paste. Then click on recompile. So what it will do, it will make this flowchart more complex. Yes, you can see the results. This is more complex flowchart for the principle of demand and supply. So let's download this second one as well. So it has been downloaded. Let's open it. So you can see, let me open it. So you can see the first one, which is this simple flowchart to explain principle of demand and supply. Then you can see a more complex one we generated. You can see it inculcates factors and subset of factors to explain the principle of demand and supply. So this is how to use ChatGPT to create flowcharts to explain principle of demand and supply. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.